Welcome everyone to our Algebra series. We are still in the JSS aspect of it. Today we'll be looking at equations. In any given equation, we have equals to sign that separate the left-hand side from the right-hand side. And in solving for the unknown, whatever we do to the right-hand side is the same thing we do to the right-hand side to balance the equation. Example. Solve for the unknown in 4 plus s equals to 6. Solution. 4 plus s equals to 6. We are making s the subject. We want to make s the subject formula. So we subtract 4 from both sides of the equation. That will give us 4 minus 4 plus x equals to 6 minus 4. And that will give us x equals to 2. Let's take another example. Solve for s if x plus 8 is equals to 16. Solution. X plus 8 equals to 16. We write out our problem. Next, to make s the subject formula, which is the looking for the unknown, we subtract 8 from both sides. So we have x plus 8 minus 8 will be equals to 16 minus 8. What we have done to the left-hand side, we are doing the same to the right-hand side. And the result will be x equals to 8. As we go further, we will not be showing the elementary operations taking place. Please take note of that. Another example. Solve 29 equals to 5a plus 14. Solution. 29 equals to 5a plus 14. We write out our problem. Collect like terms together. 29 minus 14 will be equals to 5a. And our result will be 15 equals to 5a. Next, we divide both sides by the coefficient of a, that is 5. So we have 15 divided by 5 will be equals to 5a divided by 5. And the result is a equals to 3. Another example. If 8y minus 3y minus 2y is equals to 24, find y. The options are given. Solution. Let's write out our problem, which is 8y minus 3y minus 2y equals to 24. Let us add the negative unknowns. We now have 8y minus 5y will be equals to 24. Now, subtracting properly, we now have 3y will be equals to 24. That's 8y minus 5y will give you 3y equals to 24. Next, we can now divide both sides by the coefficient of y, which is 3. So we have 3y divided by 3 will be equals to 24 divided by 3. And that gives us y will be equals to 8. Another example. Solve the equation 5x minus 8 equals to 52 minus 7x. Solution. We write out our given problem, which is 5x minus 8 equals to 52 minus 7x. Next, we collect like terms together. We now have 5s plus 7s will be equals to 52 plus 8. And that will give us 12s will be equals to 60. Next, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 12. So we have 12s divided by 12 will be equals to 60 divided by 12. And the result will be x equals to 5. Another example. Solve the equation 1.2x plus 0.8 equals to 0.6x minus 0.4. The options are given. Solution. First, we write out our problem, which is 1.2x plus 0.8 equals to 0.6s minus 0.4. Next, we collect like terms together. So we have 1.2x minus 0.6x will be equals to minus 0.4 minus 0.8. What just happened? When your 0.6s cross the equals to sign, it turns negative. And when your 0.8 cross the equals to sign to the right hand side, it turns negative. The result will be 0.6x will be equals to minus 1.2. Next, we divide both sides by the coefficient of x, which is 0.6. So we now have 0.6x divided by 0.6 will be equals to minus 1.2 divided by 0.6. And our result will be x equals to minus 2. How did we achieve this? If you move your decimal places 1, 1 or both at the numerator and denominator, you have 12 divided by 6. And at the left hand side, if you do the same, you have 6 divided by 6. Hence our result. Another example. Solve the equation 16 minus 5y equals to 1. The options are given. Solution. We write out our problem. 16 minus 5y equals to 1. Next, we collect like terms together, avoiding minus. We now have 16 minus 1 will be equals to 5y. This is better than minus 5y equals to 1 minus 16. Solving, we have 15 will be equals to 5y. We can now divide both sides by the quotient of y. So the result will be 15 divided by 5 will be equals to 5y divided by 5. And we have y equals to 3. Yes, we are through with the examples under this subheading. Next, we have some exercises at page 46 and 47 of our hidden fact in JSSCE mathematics. Try your hands on the exercises while we proceed to the next subtopic. Words to algebra, interpretation only. Under this subheading, we'll be translating or interpreting word problem to algebra using letters plus mathematical sign as shown in the examples that follow. Example, a boy is 6 years old. How old was he 6 years ago? Solution, present age is s years old. Age 6 years ago will be x minus 6 years. If it is difficult for us to convert, let us try our knowledge with real life question that is similar to this case. Achuko is 12 years old. How old was he 6 years ago? Of course, you will not get confused in this case, which is 12 minus 6. Another example. A boy is 15 years old. How old will he be n years time? The options are given. Let us take it this way. Onome is 15 years old. In 3 years time, she will be 15 years plus 3 years, which will be equals to 18 years. Thus, in our question proper, the boy will be 15 plus n years. Another example. The sum of p minus 2 is, the options are given. Solution. The problem is p plus bracket open minus 2 bracket close. But in opening up the bracket, plus multiply minus will be equals to minus. Thus, p plus bracket open minus 2 bracket close will be equals to p minus 2. Another example. For a period of 7 weeks, it did not rain for n days. For how many days did it not rain? The options are given. Solution. First, we convert 7 weeks to days. 1 week is equals to 7 days. Thus, 7 weeks will be equals to 7 times 7 days. And that will give us 49 days. Thus, the period of 7 weeks is equals to 49 days. Days that it did not rain will be equals to 49 minus n, which is the same as 49 minus n bracket open and close days. Another example. When 8 is added to a certain number and the sum is multiplied by 3, the result is 57. Which of the following equations satisfy the statement above? The options are given. Solution. Let the number be x. First statement is x plus 8. We said that 8 is added to a certain number. Then the second statement is 3 into bracket open x plus 8 bracket close equals to 57. And that is our result. Another example. My father is 30 years old than I am. If I am y years old, how old is my father? The options are given. Solution. Father's age is equals to I am plus 30 years. But I am is equals to y years old. Thus, father's age would be equals to y plus 30 years. Another example. Kola has 5 apples more than Wale. If Wale has n apples, how many apples has Kola? The options are given. Solution. Kola apples will be equals to Wale apples plus 5. Thus, if Wale has n apples, Kola apples will be equals to n plus 5. Another example. Translate into mathematical sentence a number added to 2 gives 5. Let the number be x. Then 2 plus x will be equals to 5. We've come to the end of the examples under this subtopic. Next, we have some exercises at page 49 and 50 of our hidden fact in JSSCE mathematics. Try your hands on the exercises. Answers are provided at the answer section of the book, either the hard copy or the soft copy. Thank you.